Well, we are at the Rainforest Cafe here. About to get something to eat over at Animal Kingdom. This is pretty neat, you guys. I don't know if y'all have been in here before.
Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome back Stephanie, Safari at 4. Make sure you're pushing with all of your wild and finish stepping in. Stephanie, Safari at 4.
And this is all kind of stuff here in their gift shop when you come in. There's Isaac. Look, this is a tree, man, in the middle. Oh, wow, look at this. Come here, son, come on. They got a, look, it's a big aquarium. Look, it's an aquarium in the middle. Wow. Pretty big fish in there. Oh, it's a little dory fish. There's a dory. There's a dory. There it is. Oh, there's another one. Here, look at this. Look. Kind of looks like somebody I know right there. This is some, I don't know what kind of fish that is. It's pretty though. There's some, wow, look, he's got like a horn on his, got like a horn on his head there. Wow. There's Dory. Came to make a cameo. Dory made a cameo. Just swimming. She's stopping though. Dory's getting me a camera shot for Dory. She's watching me. I think Dory's a camera hog. Look, she's backing up. Is that the one that played in the movie? She likes the camera. Look at that. She's just staying there. Dory, I see. Look, she's staying right there too. Look at that. She says, here, I'm gonna let you in the camera. And alright, it's a good shot, Dory. You can see her off now. There she goes. Wow. They even got a tank above your head. Look at this. There's elephants over here. They're moving their ears. Wow. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat, let me tell you. Here we are, we got a picture of the cute little monkey. We've got the cute little unicorn. Boy, that's freaky. That'll scare the crap out of some little kid, let me tell you. The little monkey. Tell you. Oh, we're here at the Rainforest Cafe, and the elephants have awoken. Something. My mother teaches English. I should know that, but she'll get on to me later, I'm sure.
And the elephant died. Hold me by it.
Let's see. Now we'll have put it right here. This is our waitress here. Thank you. She made us, well, they gave us lemon. Oh, that is half and half, I see. It looked pink from there. It's now, when I held it up, it's all the colors going on it. It looked good, though. It's good.
Oh. Do we decide or another minute go?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Pasta lighter? Yeah, you like spicy?
A little bit.
Yeah?
It was a toss between that one or the shrimp.
And I'm gonna. He wants the grilled cheese, the fruit, and the apple juice. And I'll have a. I want to try this Blue Mountain chicken sandwich myself.
With fries is your side? You want mashed potatoes?
No, fries is okay. Yeah, I want some fries. I'm kind of in the mood for a sandwich today.
Rasta pasta?
Andy's gonna have the Rasta pasta. I had the Blue Mountain. Don't do that, son. I had the Blue Mountain grilled chicken sandwich. Yeah, Blue Mountain chicken sandwich. That's what I had. It's got lemon grilled chicken, bacon, Swiss cheese, roasted peppers, red peppers, lettuce, zesty safari sauce. Sounds good. And that's coming in at $19.99. And this one here, if you come here, even for lunch, you're probably going to drop 100 plus at least. So just to let you know, because it is, like I said, on Disney property.
Mandy,
But it's a nice place to eat with your family. And
I let Mom taste my cherry coke. She made it for me. I don't have it.
she made it. Let me see. What she did? Put cherry stuff in it?
It's good.
Oh man, they really hooked it up. It's homemade cherry coke at the Rainforest Cafe. This is an Arnold Palmer half and half lemonade iced tea. We like that here.
Look. What do you get when you cross the cheetah?
And this one is good too. I have to say, I like this Arnold Palmer better than the Arnold Palmer I had at Epcot. Where do we have? What do we at the Rose and Crown? That was okay, but this one was better. Maybe it's sweeter. That might be what it is. Not necessarily better, just sweeter.
You want to hear a joke, Dad?
Which is better for some people. Yes.
So Isaac said, what do you get when you cross a cheetah with a cheeseburger?
I don't know.
Fast food.
Fast food.
Yeah, I didn't make that up. So let's see.
All right, tell us another one.
What's the frog's favorite music?
What's the frog's favorite music? What is it?
I don't even have to say it.
What is it?
Hip hop.
Hip hop. Hip hop.
Yeah, because the frog hip hop.
Instead of
Oh,
a
no,
soccer,
right.
they could do it.
Well, we'll be back at you when the food's here. They got all the food is here. They brought it finally. This is Isaac's grilled cheese. Show them the grilled cheese, Isaac. Show it to hold it still where they can see it. There you go. Gorilla grilled cheese on Texas toast. And Mandy has the Rasta pasta. That is the Rasta pasta. And that's the spicy, what?
Spicy pasta.
What kind? She forgot the name of it.
There you go. Say
Pasta
again.
what?
Pasta Lagoli or something.
Pasta Lagoli. Who knows?
Looks yummy.
See, we can't even review food right because we can't remember what it's called. So, this is the redneck review here. This is mine. It is a chicken sandwich. It was actually called the, here, I'll tell you what Christie's was called. Can you put that up, please? Mine was called the Blue Mountain chicken sandwich. Sorry about all the jerking there. It's $19.99. And Mandy's was, let's see, hers was the, what did you get? Oh, and Mama got the pasta lava. No, pasta lava. Pasta lava, that's what that is, right? Yeah, she got the pasta lava.
I know it was
What do you think, Mandy?
Mine is spicy.
What do you think? What do you think, Isaac? Huh? You like it? Here, help him with his fruit. Here. All right, there's some grapes there. I'm gonna take one of my fries and dip it here.
Try your sandwich.
I am. This is some other sauce here on the side. Some kind of
Safari sauce.
safari sauce, that's right.
Which we're going to do short. Sorry.
I guess I'm supposed to put the sauce a little bit on there.
Would you like to try mine, maybe? Yeah. I just want to try your noodle here.
I tried a noodle.
Those are good. Try one of my noodles.
Mm-hmm. Pretty good.
Mandy, Mama, Dad, what is your guys' review?
Yeah, I like it.
What is your guys' review?
Good. Good and
From
spicy.
1 to 10.
Warming me up.
The chicken,
1 to 10.
the chicken is a little dry, not bad.
Here, would you like to try mine?
In a second, hold on.
From 1 to 10, what is all of you guys rating?
Well, so far my chicken is a little dry,
About a
but
5. About a 5? Why so low?
Yeah, I'd say about a 7.
Maybe a 6.5.
yeah, we have noticed since the pandemic. In fact, we noticed it before the pandemic.
Oh, I am.
Disney was starting to cut corners on some of their food. Probably 5-6 years ago, I think they were at their peak of their food greatness. Because since then, I think they went down a little. Not much, but noticeably a little bit. You know, cutting corners, like, you know, when we were at Epcot, they had shrimp over French fries. Now, I don't know if they eat that in China. Good.
Yeah, do you want some papaya? It's spicy, but not too spicy, right? Yeah.
Warming me up.
Yeah, right. I know, I woke up this morning, I was chilling, walking the dog in the big one.
Really chilly.
I know, right? Feels good though.
Yeah, yeah. Do you like the sauce? Yeah, you dip it in there, that's what I do. It's like with 2 dogs, like you don't put enough sauce on it, so I can dip away.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, that's why I thought it was a little bit dry, but it's
I
okay.
think it's some bread, you don't put enough sauce on it, you know.
Yeah, it was a little dry, not bad.
Chicken breast is dry.
Mandy,
It's good.
Mandy, the 2 cheetahs were holding a big long stick. They're like, how low can you go? They were going. Guess the cheetahs had to go.
Well, we'll be back when we finish up.
Why so low?
All right, we finished up. They said it was pretty good. Huh?
Want dessert today?
We're stuffed. I'm stuffed. We're stuffed. Not right now. Thank you, though. She was asking us about dessert. I told her we are stuffed. I'm actually going to take this little bit of sandwich for later when I have me a late night munchie snack. But it was decent. I give it about a. I give the chicken about a 7. A chicken sandwich, the Blue Mountain chicken sandwich, I give it about a 6.5 because the chicken was a little bit dry. Not too bad, but a little dry. But my wife's, I really thought it was tasty. The pasta lava, and is that what it is again? Let's see.
That's one of good cheese and
Yeah, pasta lava, and Mandy got the Rasta pasta, and that was pretty good. And Isaac has the Texas toast cheese, the gorilla cheese sandwich. Yeah, the gorilla grilled cheese, and it was good. So that was it. Here at Mandy went to the restroom, so she's gone right in a second, but that was it, and we really have enjoyed the day thus far. If we're not back again, remember, be the best and be blessed. We'll see you next time.